In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn your camera or webcam on or off within the Microsoft Edge browser. This is especially helpful when you want to manage your privacy settings or control which websites can access your camera. Let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll want to open up your Microsoft Edge browser. This is the foundational step. Just launch the browser as you would any other application on your computer. Microsoft Edge is generally located in your taskbar or can be accessed through a shortcut on your desktop. Simply double-clicking its icon should do the trick. Once your Edge browser is up and running, look towards the upper right-hand corner. You'll notice a symbol that looks like 3 horizontal dots. This is your gateway to the settings menu and many other options the browser offers. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. A drop-down menu will appear, presenting you with a host of options. From this menu, select Settings. This will lead you to the main settings page where you can make various adjustments. Next, direct your attention to the left panel within the settings page. Here you'll see several categories. Click on the one labelled Privacy, Search and Services. This is where you get to manage what information the browser handles and how it does so. It's crucial for ensuring your online activities respect your privacy preferences. Following this, you are going to navigate to Site Permissions. You'll find this option under the Privacy, Search and Services section. Clicking Site Permissions opens up another list showing all permissions. This is essentially all the different elements and data types that your browser can allow sites to access, from your location to cookies and of course your camera. Now we want to focus on the camera settings. Scroll through the list until you find it and give it a click. This will bring you to the camera permissions page where essential adjustments can be made. Here is the crucial part. Under the default behavior section, you will see an option labeled Ask Before Accessing Recommended. This setting essentially dictates whether or not websites need to ask your permission to use the camera. To enable or disable camera access for all websites, simply toggle this setting. Switching it on will require sites to request permission to use your camera, which keeps you in control of your privacy. If you decide to switch it off, any site can access your camera without prompt as long as the site permissions allow it. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully learned how to toggle the camera or webcam on and off in Microsoft Edge. Feel free to revisit any of these steps if you're uncertain, and soon enough you'll find managing these permissions to be a breeze.